Okay, so here is your makeup tutorial. I've heard a couple of you asking for it. I did a poll, 95% of you wanted one, so here we go. To preface, I'm not a makeup artist. I have a fuzz. Not a makeup artist, no training. If I'm doing something wrong, I apologize. Teach me the way to do it. Send me a tutorial. But here we go. So I keep all my makeup in this handy dandy case, which has makeup all over it. But I keep everything in here, my brushes, voila. It's filthy. Let me pick up that thing that I just dropped, because would it really be one of my videos if something didn't go wrong? So start off, put a little lip balm on. This was in the Battle of the Balms on the blog last year. I prefer this over the Laneige. The Laneige is like silicone-y. This like really seeps in. It doesn't like sit on top of your lips. Okay, so I start with a primer. If you've been here for a while, you know I love me some Fenty. I have oily skin, for anyone who does not know that. I have a nice zit on my face right now, and I thought about not doing this because of that, but I said screw it. We all get zits, am I right? So take my Fenty foundation. I like this. I used to wear the Estee Lauder Double Wear, but I like this. It's buildable. It's not as thick, but it still gives good coverage. I do 2 little pumps of that. I take my wet, filthy beauty blender, which I need to replace, and then I just dab it. And I think I wear shade 200 in this. I've been using it for a couple years now, and I really love it. It doesn't wear away. Like, I hate when you have oily skin and it like slides off your face. That's always fun, especially when you're spending money on makeup. I think it's in the $30 range for it, but one of these bottles lasts me a really long time because, again, I only use 2 pumps of it, but I put it everywhere. Over my eyelid. And then don't forget your neck. I hate when it doesn't match. Get your jawline. Okay, so we're starting from blank canvas. Voila. You like my grays that are coming in? I need to get my hair done really badly. All right, next, we need glowy under eyes. Love this stuff. I put a little bit. This is my second bottle of it because my first bottle lasted me like almost a year. What the heck, man? All right, ring finger. I got. Get a little in there in that corner. I'll get that cap later. Pointy end. Dab it in there. I mean, already, look how brightening that is. But I personally feel like I need more coverage than just this, so I do still use a concealer. You're probably sick of hearing about this concealer, but I personally love it. Shape Tape. Shade Light. It gives me good coverage. You can control how much you put on. Do one of these guys. There you go. Or on that little zit there. Cute, right? Pointy end. And I'm doing like you can see, yeah. You got that? I don't go crazy with the zit cover-ups. It is what it is. You're gonna see the bump. get like all in those little nooks there. All right, then take the round end. You want to get rid of those hard edges. All right, now we gotta set it. Damn, I need to buy more of this. I keep on forgetting. A lot of these products, you guys, if you've been following me for a while, you see I'm running out of it. You already know what they are because I've been using them for a while. Put a little there. Just blot it on there. Anywhere you put the concealer, I just put a little bit of this on top because I want to set it. I don't want to mess it up. And then my eyelids. I gotta go to Target today and buy more of this. All right, then big fluffy brush. Want to set everything I just did. So I don't need as intense over the non-concealed parts of my face, but okay. You can still see it a little bit, but again, it is what it is. We get zits. Am I right? All right, next. Anastasia Contour Kit. Been using it for years. I use this middle one for my contour. Let me bring it up. Same thing. Jaw. Let's accentuate that jaw. There we go. Bring it down the side. And nose. I squeeze this like that. Voila. I was just making sure I hit the record button. I'm like, wouldn't that have sucked if I didn't hit record? All right, this guy on this. This is like a matte highlight. And I like it for my contour, just above and below, that contour line, down the center of my nose. Now, take the big fluffy brush, blend that all. Don't be afraid to get in there. Blending is the most important part of this. Everywhere you just put all that, get in there. All right, next, bronzer. Jersey girls, we need our bronzer. I use this guy. Again, over there. But then I bring it across the top, along my hairline. Put some on my chin. Jaw. It probably looks crazy right now, but it'll be fine, I promise. Down my nose again. I don't know why I do this twice with two different colors. I just watched makeup tutorials and that's what I learned. Oh, I may have went a little too dark over there, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Oh, blush. Bronzer and blush. NARS Orgasm. Been using it for years. I'm almost out. I have a backup. I like to use it all. Because I want to get my money's worth. So a little bit of blush. Look how much that brightens your face. I know I look insane. Let's clean this up. Blend that all in. This one's going somewhere you're blending in. because I put a little too much there. All right, that looks better, right? Okay, eyebrows. The NYX Micro Brow. It's like 10 bucks. It works so well. I use shade Brunette, but you're gonna start by brushing those eyebrows up. Okay. I'm gonna get real close with you guys now. I've been doing this since I was like 21, so it may be a lot easier for me than it is for you. Actually, it's not that easy on my phone though, if I'm honest. And you just go like that if you mess up. I don't want the line to go that far down. So I kind of just like draw the line, the outline, and then I fill it in with small little brush strokes. And again, if you mess up, just wipe it away with your finger. Bring it up into the corner, get it down. There we go. This is challenging, but I'm not done. I'm just trying to get the shape of the other ones so that I can make sure that they're somewhat even. I'm like sweating right now. So much pressure. And I'm nervous that my camera's gonna run out of memory while I'm filming this, and then it's gonna be all messed up. Okay, so obviously they're not even right now, but here, let's get closer. You can see I draw the line there. I'm doing this in front of my window right now because it gives better lighting, because I have a really small bathroom and the lighting's super warm in there. So I wanted to give you guys like as realistic coloring as possible when it comes to this. All right, so try to make sure that they're, all right, and take this end, brush it out. That way you can like get rid of any hard lines that you have, and then you can go back and fill in. This is like really hard on my phone. Gotta get that arch in there too. I need to just get my eyebrows microbladed already. All right, that's good enough for now. Eyeshadow, hold on. Okay, I use the KKW Mrs. West palette. I got it like half off at Ulta one time, and I really love the colors. Lots of pinks and browns, which with blue eyes are really good. But I start with this light pink shade and do it over my eyelid and up. All right, and then I do this pink in my crease. Just really like, if you have blue eyes, this really makes them pop out. I was always scared of like pinky reds on my eyeshadow. Yeah, got that? But it really does complement them well. All right, and then I take the middle brown, put that in the corner. All right, then I take this guy and I blend. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. Do like this windshield wiper thing. There you go. I'm like, there we go. Voila. Then last thing, I take this gold shade in the top, a little bit in the middle there. Love it. All right, next, I take my big fluffy brush, wipe away any extra eyeshadow I have. I grab Anastasia palette, finish spray. I don't know what it's called, and this little guy. All right, so I'm gonna spray my face with this. Then I'm gonna take my highlighter, there you go, my sparkly highlighter, go right here, down my nose, brow bone, and my ring finger, kind of get that in there, voila. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just kind of pat it all over. I don't know if this does anything. I just do it, guys. All right, now lashes. 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 Curl them. Make sure you get them all in there too. There we go. I got a few crazies that like to pop out. Okay, lash primer, opening act, Tarte. I like it. I bought the mini size to make sure I liked it, and I will be purchasing the full size next. You can say it's like white. It just primes your lashes. That's adorable. Okay, so I've been playing with this one. If you saw the Battle of Mascaras, I'd only used this like twice. I'm actually kind of liking it. The Air Volume. It has a big, thick brush, but you have to make sure you get all the extra off because, hey, look at that brush. I love that. Okay. This is not easy to do, looking at my phone. All right, take that lash brush. Make sure there's no clumps, no extra. Here we go. Let that sit for a minute. Same thing with the other guy. For some reason, I always have a problem with the lashes on this side. They don't work out as well as the other one. This is so attractive right now. All right. If there was ever a time for me to stab myself in the eyeball with my mascara wand, it would be now. Trick: if you get mascara somewhere, wait for it to dry and just take a Q-tip and it wipes right off really gently. Second coat. Look at those lashes, guys. I'm not into the whole fake lash thing, eyelash extensions. I just don't have the patience for it. And I like a natural lash. I don't feel like looking like I have caterpillars coming off my eyelashes, because that's what they look like with me. They look cute on other people, but not me. There we go. And take that, where the heck, oh my god, if you could see this over here, it's like a train wreck. Where the heck did I put that brush? How do I, oh, here it is. Like, how do I lose that? Brush those brows up. Voila. That is how I do my makeup.